It'll be one of those things today, ain't you? Gonna be hard-headed. Hey, welcome to Back Indoors channel. We go on a groovy overnight trip. Run that intro. My nose was itching. Alright, we off for another, this time a groovy overnight trip. Y'all see when you see it, but we're gonna be groovy. Groovy, man, groovy. I guess I could just. So our plan is today is not to get rained on. So when do you decide not to rain? What's your prediction of the weatherman? Is he right or wrong, or is he 50%, maybe half and half, 54? Actually, it's like 20, 17, 20, real low, except for evening, afternoon, maybe. But we're gonna chance it. Tomorrow's supposed to be even better. But we're starting out Friday morning, and it was a little foggier than this. It is 68 degrees. As you can see, yeah, first stop I think it's like 114 miles, and we won't be but 110 miles from home. But it doesn't matter how far you go, it's if you go. That sun says it's bright, but the chances of rain was higher in the mountains. That's why I didn't go to Smoky Mountain, and it's higher going south. So I was like, well, we can go northwest, southeast, south, or northeast. Yeah, I think I said that. Well, we're going northwest. North by northwest. Yeah, I don't know. So we're probably gonna stop and eat breakfast somewhere, maybe at an early lunch. I don't know yet. Probably an early lunch, and then we'll find a place to eat supper. And I can't wait to see this groovy. We're gonna be grooving and well, I don't know what else they say. Grooving. We're gonna be rocking and rolling. He's gonna turn. Come on. I guess I could have went, but never know what these Jeepsters gonna do. Of course, there's a big truck coming. He liked to turn over, turning so sharp in that Jeepster. Them high clearance tires. It's a Jeep thing, you know. Hey, your mama now. This episode of Blue Back Indoors channel is brought to you by Dixon, the Wingman Air Force. Yep, it's one of my newest. What do you call these things? Flannels. Woo. It is 9:30. We didn't have no set time to leave, but we ain't got to go with 100. Well, that's total miles a day, 157. So our first stop is gonna be, I don't know where our first stop is. Fackler, Alabama. Fackler, Alabama. A rock garden. Rock zoo. So I guess it wouldn't be a rock garden, it'd be a rock zoo, right? We're gonna rock and roll, we're gonna have a groovy time, we're gonna be rocking and groveling and having a groovy time. Yeah, let's do some clean CCR, because I'm on this groovy road trip. We almost up here at this groovy, pretty good road though too, rock zoo. We must be just missing little showers. That's okay with me. This is also a little tree turner road. The roads get a little rougher in places. Yep, I like that tree tunnel right here. Yep, pretty up in here. We in Fackler, yeah. Address and everything will be down there. We got a turn up here somewhere on 32, County Road 32 off County Road 33. We in the valley. It's pretty up here in this valley. We almost here. I'm looking for rock animals. Groovy rock animals on this groovy road trip. A long way to come for see rock animals. Right here it is. There it is. Rock animals. Roadside, I see an elephant, I see some chicken, I see a giraffe. What do you, just pull off the road right here. That's good. And we got a cow, a chicken, a little cow, big cow, a beaver, a turtle, yeah, a fish. I got a frog. I don't know. Anyway, see Rock City. Oh, never mind, Rock Zoo. No, the fish, a giraffe, a chicken, a goose. I don't know. That's a goose. Don't know. Roadside. That's an elephant. And I don't know. That's a goose. Oh, skunk. Some kind of black creature. And I guess this would be a seal. Yeah. Alright. That's some kind of green something. You guess as good as mine. That's one of them dinosaurs looking thing. That must be a elk or something. Alright. I take it the 4-H in 2020 came out and painted it. Last time they painted it. So, pretty neat. Thought they had more animals, but at least you can ride the animals. Just can't feed them. I don't have no rock salt for them. Rock candy. They like rock candy. And I didn't bring any. This done got hot. So let's see if we can't get outside of this. Pull down here and off the road. That's why grass is thick. Just ease into it. Rock Zoo here in Fackler, something, Alabama. That's a penguin. That's what that black and white thing was, a penguin. I thought it was some kind of like great white, killer whale or something, but it's a penguin. Now we know. Well, we almost to our groovy hotel or Airbnb. It's a retro remodeled in 2022. It's an Airbnb, and this lady don't know how to drive. She stopped a while ago going around a hairpin turn, and she's gonna do it again. But it's like from the 19th, so it's like a cheetah room, a groovy 60, a Pac-Man room, pretty in pink. You ain't gotta, why are you stopping? Go! You from Tennessee? You think you know how to drive in the mountain, old man? Jesus. Must be one of them implants. Let's see, they got an Elvis room or Elvis/jungle room, a groovy 60 room, the flower room, the cheetah room. That's Cheeto to Cheeto. Pac-Man room. There's 10 rooms, I think it is. and I can't remember all of them. Buddy, you gonna run your brakes up. It should be close. I see the grooviness. I see a graveyard. Come on, where's this Groovy Hotel at? Groovy, man, groovy. Groovy, man, groovy. Here we are. Groovy, man, just groovy. Groovy, man, groovy. The Groovy Nomad. So here's our groovy room. We got a full-size mirror. This is a 60 room. Towels, a microwave. We got some fancy water. A little bitty sink. Nice shower. Yep. The Groovy, man. We the 60 room. This is the way hotels was back in the 60s, I guess. So, like I said, we got a little bit antique refrigerator. Can you imagine the other rooms? There's one. Yep. Cold freezer. Refrigerator. That don't open. That does. So yeah. Feel like the Brady Bunch. Alright. Good deal. Well, that concludes our 60s theme room. Ooh, we're gonna be tripping. Yeah, we got ceiling lights, a lot of lights. Alright, we got charging things, USB port things. Yeah, nice. They didn't have that back in the 60s. We got a rubber tree plant. And I like this groovy chair. It slides out. No, it doesn't. It rocks. But, oh, it rocks. Yeah. Groovy, man. So, that's the end of this video. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you later. I'm gonna trip out, man. Groovy. Done.